The currency of the Eastern Caribbean Union entered a new era with the unveiling of the new denomination designs that now focus on national heroes and regional icons, replacing the old design that featured the late Queen Elizabeth II. The designs were unveiled during a ceremony held at the ECCB Monetary Council's meeting held in Dominica, July 10. In recognizing the need to change the design elements of the EC currency, ECCB Governor Timothy Antoine said, quote, "The people call for our currency to honor our own heroes, nation builders, and persons whose lives and achievements have enriched our countries and strengthened our region," end quote. Prime Minister Dr. Terence Drew and the ECCB Governor presented the $50 EC banknote that featured former St. Kitts and Nevis Premier and first national hero, the Right Excellent Sir Robert L. Bradshaw. Also on that note is the likeness of the late Sir K. Dwight Venner, former governor of the Eastern Caribbean Central Bank.
It gives me great pleasure to announce St. Kitts and Nevis's selection in the first national hero, Sir Robert Llewellyn Bradshaw.
The Right Excellent Sir Robert Llewellyn Bradshaw devoted his public life to improving the welfare of his people while advancing Caribbean unity. A visionary regional statesman, he played a leading role in strengthening regional monetary cooperation, an institution that ultimately evolved into today's Eastern Caribbean Currency Union. He also served as Minister of Finance of the West Indies Federation and was a signatory to the ECCB agreement.
The Eastern Caribbean currency is used by members of the Eastern Caribbean Currency Union, whose members comprise Anguilla, Antigua and Barbuda, the Commonwealth of Dominica, Grenada, Montserrat, St. Kitts and Nevis, St. Lucia, and St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Glenn Bart reporting for Television Caribbean, TVC Channel 40.